Notion's new chart feature is a game changer for traders, and if you're not using it yet, you're missing out on powerful insights that could transform your results. Visualizing your trading performance has never been easier. Ever felt like this while analyzing your trades? Staring at endless tables, scrambling to make sense of the data? You're not alone. We got tired of constantly sifting through numbers and manually searching for patterns. That's why we developed our trading journal template, where we log all trades, turning it into a central hub for everything related to trading. To truly understand our performance, we needed more. So we identified 9 key statistical metrics and created charts for them in Notion. Today, we'll show you how to bring your trading journal to life with Notion charts. We'll dive into how these charts work, how to set them up for effective trade analysis, and how this approach can help you achieve stable and predictable results. Before we dive into the setup, let's briefly review the 9 charts we'll be using. Daily profit and loss. This chart allows you to analyze which days were profitable and which were not, helping you better manage your trading sessions. Account P&L split. Splits profits and losses by different accounts or instruments. This chart is important for risk management and tracking results by trading direction. Cumulative curve. Shows how your capital changes over time. This chart is essential for tracking the long-term trend of your profits and losses. Cumulative percentage. Reflects the percentage change in your capital. This chart helps you understand the overall effectiveness of your strategies without focusing on absolute values. Monthly returns. Shows profits and losses by month, helping you identify seasonal trends and understand how your trading performance changes from month to month. Setup performance. Analyzes results by different strategies and setups. With this chart, you can easily see which approaches are working and which need improvement. Net P&L summary. Total profit and loss. This chart visually displays your results over a selected period, making it convenient for summarizing monthly or quarterly performance. Win-loss ratio. The ratio of winning to losing trades. This is a key indicator of the stability and quality of your trading decisions. Session analysis. Analysis by trading sessions. This helps you understand which times of day your trading is most successful. These charts will help you gain a deeper understanding of your trading results and make more informed decisions. Now, let's see how to set them up. Before we start setting up the charts, it's important to understand how to properly organize the data table in Notion from which they will pull information. Proper data structuring is the foundation for accurate display and analysis of your trading. Our table logs all the key data for trades. Here are the main fields that must be included. Asset or instrument. Helps track which instruments perform best. Trade date. Allows you to analyze results by day, week, or month. Trade direction. Long-short. Helps differentiate results by position type. Entry and exit price. The basis for calculating profit and loss. Position size. Important for understanding the trade volume and its impact on overall results. Commission and expenses. Helps account for all costs and accurately assess net profit. Revenue and loss. P&L. Automatically calculated based on the above data. Percentage result. Helps see relative changes. These fields must be correctly filled and interconnected. One of the most common mistakes is missing data or incorrect calculations, which can distort the final results on the charts. Now that we've covered how the data table is structured, let's move on to setting up the first chart and see how we can visualize this data for better analysis. To create the first chart, the daily P&L, let's start by adding a new block and selecting a line chart. Then specify the database from which all the necessary data will be pulled. Next, we'll define the x-axis, which in this case will be the trade execution date. Enable Omit Zero Values to hide the days when no trades were made, keeping the chart cleaner. For the y-axis, set the data source to the profit-loss field and choose Summarize to show the cumulative result. After that, you'll have options for styling the chart. You can adjust these to your liking, but here's what I recommend. For coordinates display, I prefer both. Select Smooth Line for a sleeker curve, and disable the legend for a cleaner look. Finally, since we'll be creating several charts, let's name this one and choose an icon for better navigation. The account P&L split chart is similar to the cumulative curve, but with a key difference. It groups your profit and loss data by accounts, I'll walk you through setting it up from scratch. For the y-axis, select your profit-loss data and then group it by accounts. After making a few visual adjustments, you'll have a chart that neatly organizes your trading performance across different accounts, giving you a clear view of how each account is performing. To simplify the creation of the cumulative curve chart, we can simply duplicate the daily P&L chart. The key change here is activating the cumulative option for the y-axis. Once that's done, we'll have a cumulative curve chart that tracks all of our trades. For the cumulative percentage chart, let's duplicate the previous chart. This time, for the y-axis, select the result % field. And just like that, we've created two different yet highly effective tools for analyzing your trading performance. For the monthly returns chart, select the horizontal bar display. Set the x-axis to the profit-loss field and choose to summarize the data, then group by accounts. For the y-axis, select the date field and break it down by months. Don't forget to sort the data from the most recent to the oldest. Next, to speed up the process, simply duplicate this chart to create the setup performance chart. For this one, choose the vertical bar display. Set the x-axis to the confirmations data, and for the y-axis, select profit, loss, and group by accounts. Let's also sort this chart from the most profitable setups to the least profitable ones. Now, for convenience, let's split the page into two columns to add the net P&L summary chart. Start by adding a donut chart and selecting the database. In the What to Show field, choose Account, and for the data, select Profit/Loss. Next, let's duplicate this chart and use it to display the statistics for our winning and losing trades. In the What to Show field, select Win and choose to count the number of occurrences. Finally, let's add one more chart to analyze the statistics of your sessions or timeframes if you use them. For the x-axis, select Session. And for the y-axis, set Profit/Loss. Sort by profitability to quickly identify which sessions perform best. Let's sum it up. We've explored how properly set up charts can significantly enhance your approach to trade analysis. Using charts, you instantly see the bigger picture, how your trading is evolving over time, which strategies are working, and which ones aren't. Here are a few tips to work with charts more effectively. Instant chart updates. Ensure your table is set up so that charts automatically update as new data is entered. This allows you to see changes immediately and react in real time. Quick trade entries with templates. Use pre-built templates to add new trades. This will save you time and ensure that the data is structured properly, which is crucial for accurate chart display. Comprehensive trade entries. Try to fill in as many details as possible for each trade. Notes, comments, and key takeaways. This helps you not only understand the numbers but also the context of each trade during analysis. Screenshots. Including screenshots of charts or trades will help you visualize not just the results, but also the specific market conditions under which the position was opened or closed. It's an additional tool for learning from both your mistakes and successes. By applying these tips, you'll optimize your work with charts to the fullest. In the video description, you'll find a link to our Trader's Second Brain template, which already includes all the necessary charts and tools for maintaining your trading journal. There are also links to our other lessons that will help you master Notion and set up your workflow for maximum efficiency. If you have any questions or want to share your successes, drop a comment below. We're always open to feedback and ready to help you solve your problems. Share your struggles and difficulties. It helps us create even more useful content that addresses real traders' needs. Thanks for watching, happy trading, and consistent results. See you in the next video.